guys, I don't even know if I want to share this sauce with y'all, but these new tips, y'all. Y'all ready? Because I don't even know if I want to share these with y'all. These are some mumbo sauce tips. This ain't barbecue, okay? Mumbo sauce. Okay. Hey Shug, it's your favorite bald-headed Esty Taj Mahaly, and this is a place for beauty bosses and skin enthusiasts. And today, I am sharing you some of my top skin secrets, you guys, that I love to give to my clients or some of my virtual consultations so that you guys can be aware of them. Now, these tips are really great for people who have all types of skin types, skin conditions that you're looking to treat. These are just overall umbrella arching skincare tips. Without further ado, let's get started. My number one tip that I'm going to share with you is to rotate your cleansers. A lot of people get caught up, and when they buy a cleanser, they're sticking with it, they're stuck. If it's up, you know it's stuck. And that's literally what's the problem here. I think a lot of people tend to experience extreme irritation if they pick up a cleanser that's like glycolic based, like our glycolic cleanser from SkinScript, and they use that every single day, 60 seconds, non-stop, you know, and that's not necessary. It's not necessary. Your skin deserves a break too. So for instance, one of my favorite cleanser combinations that I like to rotate with is the SkinScript Glycolic Cleanser on an A day, and on my B day, I love to use the SkinScript Pomegranate Cream Cleanser. So that means that my skin gets a break from the high actives. However, it does have some form of antioxidant concentration on the cream cleanser, but it's nowhere near as harsh. We don't have any surfactant or any form of a bubbling going on with the pomegranate cleanser, so my skin can literally just take a break and let it be, but it could still be cleansed. So I love that. So for instance, I recommend you guys getting a basic cleanser for your A day, and then for your B day, get yourself a active cleanser, something that's glycolic based, salicylic based, lactic acid based, something that can drive in those actives with giving yourself a break in between days. So literally one day your glycolic cleanser, one day your pomegranate cleanser, one day your, I don't know, CeraVe hydrating cleanser, the next day your CeraVe SA cleanser. You know, just making sure that you're managing your actives properly. Your skin deserves a break, and I love that tip. That is honestly what has changed the game for my skincare, and I've started doing this within the past year, so I love it. Number two, never let your clay mask dry. You guys love Aztec clay masks. You guys love to get your little mixture, you get your little apple cider vinegar, you mix it together. You think you're doing something. You think it's real cute. I'm not a huge fan of those, by the way, but we'll continue. However, if you do choose to use a clay-based mask, whether it be the Peter Thomas Roth Sulfur Mask, which might be linked down below, you want to make sure that when you apply it, you do not let it dry. My favorite way to use these form of masks is to apply it before you get in the shower, hop in. By the time you are about to get out of the shower, you rinse it off. The steam will not allow that mask to dry all the way down, so you don't have to worry about it starting to harden or get really tight on the skin. Yes, clay-based masks are excellent at really pulling out moisture or excess oil out of the skin. However, our skin doesn't really like that method of such a harsh removal of oil. Our sebum or our oil glands tend to get quite hypersensitive whenever we do any form of extreme suctioning out of oil, and they will overreact. They will literally go into overdrive trying to fulfill what oil was lacking, plus more, because they notice that alert, something's off. If you guys want to know a little bit more about how to treat your oilier skin, I have a video here. I'll let you guys go ahead and link it and click it over here. But I am a so person when it comes to clay-based masks. Some of our SkinScript masks tend to have kaolin clay and things in it. However, I always make sure that they are steaming no matter what when you have any form of a clay-based mask on. Okay, that's really important. It's very important. So you're gonna do that. Make sure you are 1, putting it on before you're getting in the shower, or 2, having yourself a steamer. If you want a steamer or you want one of a Mahaly steamer, you can click the link below to get on our pre-order list, and they will be available to you guys quite soon. Next tip, number 3, apply a serum underneath your hydrogelly mask. Ooh, okay, you guys, if you've ever looked at our business page at Mahaly Spa on Instagram, that is hydrogelly central. We love hydrogelly masks. Like, look at this picture. Like, I have a pyramid of them, and we literally sell so many. We literally love to use them during services because they act as a occlusive almost, to where whatever you put underneath them, it's gonna allow that to work that much better, along with the added benefits of whatever specific hydrogelly mask that we're using then. So I love them paired together. One of my favorite serums to apply underneath the hydrogelly mask is the HA5 by Skin Medica. Now, she's a pricey one. She's a bougie bitch. Okay, she is. She's bougie. But she has several different forms of molecular structures of hyaluronic acid. So it deposits throughout the day. You apply that underneath your hydrogelly mask, and I promise you, you are gonna glaze like a donut that Krispy Kreme has never glazed before, okay? It is giving you straight moisture bomb, giving you straight glass skin. And then you add your Unseen Screen by Supercoop on top. Girl, can't nobody tell you nothing? Nothing. You are gonna be out here giving the purest of healthiest looking skin. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And if you want to take that tip, please do it. It is amazing. I love it. If you guys are interested in purchasing some of these hydrogelly masks that I have shown you guys before, or if you are interested in to use one, I can definitely do a video on that, but there is a link below to purchase several different hydrogelly masks. Just keep in mind that these take a little bit longer to get in just because we have to get them in from our distributor. Sometimes it can be a bit slow. However, these are excellent masks. There's like, I think we retail 9 different ones. So if you're interested in any of these 9 ones, we have ones that range from different treatments to helping with acne-prone skin, oilier-prone skin, sensitive or rosacea-based skin, dark mark, anti-aging, and wrinkle care. We have all different types, you guys. So if you're interested, click the link below. Number 4, scrubs are not your friend. I am not a huge fan of scrubbing your face. I never have been. I'm not a huge fan of scrubbing your body or your skin. I think that your skin kind of like, okay, what's beef whenever you're scratching it the way you are with a scrub. So if you are looking to find an exfoliant to make your skin feel baby smooth like it does whenever you are using a scrub, rather, I have some perfect alternatives for you. Number 1 is gonna be your enzymes. Enzymes are great. I love the one from Good Molecules. We use the pineapple enzyme powder in our regular back bar, as well as what we retail at the spa. If you're interested, you can purchase it below. But what happens is you put it in your hand in a powder form. You need just a couple of drops of water. If you rub it together, it turns into this frothy consistency, almost like a cleanser, and it eats away at the top layer of dead skin with the enzyme, which is bromelain derived from pineapples. It gives a really bright and vibrant glow to the skin, and you don't have to worry about scratching it to get that same effect. I love that one. Number 2, there are also exfoliating toners. There is one from Youth to the People. I think I have it right. Yeah, I do. This is a exfoliating toner from Youth to the People. This is considered the kombucha power toner. It has, I believe, what is it? Yeah, it's 8% lactic acid, 3% glycolin. This is a really, really great one. I talked about this last week. I enjoy exfoliating toners, and I'm still kind of dipping my toe into it. I'm not a huge fan of toners in general, but when I find a toner that actually does something, it's awesome. There's a very small, less than 1% concentration of kombucha in here, so the benefits of the fermentation, doesn't really do much to your skin, but this is really great for someone who has normal skin, someone who isn't so sensitive. If you are one of the sensitive girlies, I have another one for you that would be excellent. Now, if you're looking to exfoliate your skin and you have more sensitive skin, the Inculus PHA toner is awesome. If you guys aren't familiar with PHAs, you've probably heard of AHAs, which are your alpha hydroxy acids, like your lactic acid. You have your BHAs, which are your beta hydroxy acid, which would be like a salicylic acid. And now we have PHAs, which are polyhydroxy acids, which work on a superficial layer. They have a very big molecular structure, so they're not like beta hydroxys that go deep below, not like alpha hydroxys, which are kind of like in the middle. But PHAs are excellent for gentle exfoliation. So if you are someone who has extremely sensitive skin, or you have never used any form of an acid or an exfoliator before, this is a great place to start. Now, my advanced skincare girls, this is for you because this is what I do, and I don't recommend this unless you know for a fact your skin is extremely resilient. So know yourself first. Take this with a grain of salt. I personally, once a week, will use the Good Molecules exfoliation pineapple powder, and then afterwards take a powder puff, because I love powder puffs. I don't know why. I've been loving the tone with powder puffs lately. I take a powder puff, apply the PHA toner on top of it, and when I tell you, are you here? Are we here? That is an amazing combo. I mean, I wake up and my skin feels like a banana peel. It's literally slippery smooth. It's giving dolphin. It's giving oh my god, I don't know why I like this, you guys, but it's giving the smoothest skin I've experienced. I only do it one time a week because I am not going to overdo it. I know my skin has great resiliency, but I never want to push it to its limits, you know. But PHA toner, amazing. The Inculus, like, they need to reach out to me because I would love to work with them. This is an amazing line. I have like 2 or 3 other Inculus products right behind me, several in the bathroom. They are doing the thing. Like, if it's ever Inculus or The Ordinary, Inculus always. And don't forget I said it. Number 5, have a repair day for your skin. What is a repair day, Taj? What are you talking about? So a repair day, let's say it's one day out of the week, maybe even 2. 2 wouldn't hurt. Where you give your skin a break. You're using very ceramide rich products. You're using very repairing and restoring products. They're not heavy in actives or fragrances or anything like that. They're just really good at helping to give a love to your moisture barrier or your skin barrier in general. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about your skin barrier, I have a video as well over here so you can talk about some excellent products to help with rebuilding the skin barrier. Let me show you 2 of my favorite barrier repair or off day skincare products that I love to use. Okay, so you guys have seen me talk about this in my other video talking about barrier repair. But I love the Dr. Jart Tiger Grass Repair Gel Cream. I believe that's what this is called. Yes, calming gel cream. Whenever I have overdone it, and I have overdone it before with my skin, and I'm like, okay, she's a little bit sensitized. I think we tried too many products this week. I think we might have just kind of pushed her to her limit. This is what I reach for. I love this guy because when it comes out, it's kind of like this, like it's like literally a gel consistency, but it's a thicker gel. I guess that's why it's called a gel cream. But Tiger Grass is excellent at helping with calming inflammation. This also has some Cica in it. I love Cica, you guys. Cica has been on the market into a lot of Korean skincare brands that have been popping up for a while. So this one is one of my favorites. Click the link below in the description box if you're interested in grabbing it, because it does kind of help me to pay my bills. So yeah, transparency, shameless plug. My other favorite one to use is Beta Carotene and Papain Renewal Serum. Now, this is going to be also a very, very good product for my extremely sensitive girls. Now, this does have a slight form of an enzyme in it, the papain, which is derivative from papaya. This is excellent for helping with just overall brightening the skin, but the beta carotene is a powerful antioxidant which really helps to just protect you from the overall outside elements. this is a really good renewal serum in general. This guy is super lightweight if you want to use this at nighttime. If you must have some form of an active to reach towards your goal, this is the lightest form of an active that I have, that I know of, besides the PHA toner by the Inky List. But this is an excellent addition to your barrier repair or break day when you're giving your skin a break or a chance to rebuild itself. So highly recommend. This is sold at mahaly-spa.com. The link is below. I think that you would really love this one, as well as this Tiger Grass Balm as well. Put them together and you have a wonderful baby. But yes, these are two of my favorites. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that other people who have similar interests to you can see this video as well. It helps with the algorithm. Make sure you also subscribe and click the bell. I am posting 3 times a week now, you guys, so you can have all of the things that you need skincare related that can help you meet your skincare goals. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon. Follow me at taj.mahaly or Mahaly Spa so you can have some excellent skincare tidbits that I don't show here that you can grab on the daily over there. Okay? See you guys later.